Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick podcast episode. I'm Charles Cagalera and I'm so glad you can join me. Today, we'll be exploring the context of Filipino nationalism versus patriotism and how they play out in the global world today. Let's start with April. Let's break it down.
Alright, let's kick things off with nationalism. It's all about pride in our culture, history, and independence. From the days of heroes like Jose Rizal and Andres Bonifacio, Filipino nationalism has always been about resisting colonialism. Today, nationalism means preserving our identity and a rapidly changing global landscape. It's about supporting policies that protect local industry and maintaining our sovereignty. And the digital age is also about safeguarding our culture from being diluted by globalization.
Now on to patriotism. While nationalism is focused on preservation, patriotism is a love from the country and its people whatever they are. Take OFW is a modern day in patriots, representing Philippine abroad and contribute economy from afar. Patriotism is also celebrating our contemporary heroes like Manny Pacquiao, Helene Diaz, and Philippine innovators. It's pride in Philippines not just in our past, but in our achievements on the global stage.
So, Charles Andrew, what's the difference between the nationalism and patriotism in today's context?
Nationalism versus patriotism. So nationalism is about holding our own identity, like supporting our local industries and protecting our culture from foreign influences. And patriotism is about engaging with the world while still being proud of ourselves as a Filipino. So both of them are essential, but in short, nationalism keeps us grounded while patriotism lets us shine to the global or to international.
So whether you're more of a nationalist or a patriot, or maybe a bit of both, the important is you're proud of being a Filipino, whether here or abroad. Thank you guys for tuning here into this quick podcast episode. Until the next time, take care and stay proud of your heritage.